Information technology in India consists of two major components. One, IT services. Two, BPO services. Indian IT service industry was born in Mumbai in 1967 with the creation of Tata Consultancy Services at first. Good evening, myself Somu from SSV team. Today I am going to talk about industry with my personal experience. When I started my career with the TCS, after my initial learning program ILP, I have joined for one of the retail project named Target, where I was working as a trainee and working for a project. After a few months, I have a deadline for a project which was informed by my manager. At the same time, I have my roomie marriage, who is very close to me from last few years. So there is a deadline for a project and there is a marriage who is very close. The same thing I have informed to my manager regarding the leave. He has not agreed the leave, but I have used my sick leave and went for my friend's marriage. So after returning back from the marriage, a few days later, all the team members and the project members have been raised with a USB H1B visa with 95% who are available in the project. This opportunity is missed by me because of my friend's marriage, where I have obeyed my manager's request regarding the project delivery. This is the first opportunity which I missed. Coming to the next opportunity. After a few months, I joined one more project called Nielsen. I started working for this account where I have good friends and a friendly manager in the team. So I got so many appreciations from the client side. After a few years of working with the manager having a good rapport, he was sent to a new project and a new manager has assigned for this project which I am working. So I have started again working with a new manager and struggling to get with the proper response. After few months, I have got released from the project and I'm waiting for the project in the bench. The old manager called me and he informed, so I have a new project where you need to handle a single from end to end, where you will be having the opportunity of H1B visa. So before that, I have decided to transfer from Chennai to Bangalore for my personal reason. This was already stored in my subconscious mind and it was informed to my local resources to take a transfer. So the same thing I have informed to my old manager that I got a transfer to Bangalore. So then I missed this opportunity. Soon this opportunity was taken by my junior and he got US visa and he is settled in US now. So I always say opportunities are repeatedly missed by me in this industry. Thank you.